Yeah.
Perciò?
Oh, WENA, weón. Vamos Chile! Vamos Chile! Hello, Skip! Bro. Congrats, bro! Skip, congrats! Congrats!
That's crazy.
How the fuck do you always get pills? LL Skip.
LL Skip.
Oh shit! Oh yeah, so. En serio? We do get a lot of pillows. Holy shit!
Alright, hey, what's up guys? Here's a reconstruction real quick of that solve you just saw. So first thing I see is our white cross. I see we have these two edges in, not correct relative to each other. I decide to go ahead and take this green one, put it in, and put the red one in, and then do the orange. And what I know that's gonna do is this edge will not move after everything I do. And this corner is gonna end up with the white right here, allowing me to do a nice F2L case. So I go ahead and do that. And then I put the orange one in, and I saw this in inspection. And as I was forming that, I saw this pair form, put that in. As I was doing that, I saw this pair here, and I already see this one. And already saw it, I think. And now, here it is. And I know this VLS case, I think it's called. I'm not a cuber anymore, so I don't really know, but I know that if I do this in a certain algorithm, I am gonna get an OLL skip. And I see these blocks, so at this point I'm like, all right, I'm probably gonna get a J-perm or something like that. God knows. Let's go ahead and see what happens. And what do you know? This is not a J-perm. This is an LL skip, U prime, and we're done. I want to thank Chile for hosting me. I mean, just look at that. That's pretty beautiful right there. I want to thank GAN for being my sponsor, and I want to thank Suzane Coelho for giving me this cube. Muito obrigado. Goodbye, guys. Ciao.